How to pay for Spotify Premium using Gcash. Hello, welcome to our channel, and in this tutorial, I will teach you how to pay for Spotify Premium using Gcash. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And if you guys are wondering, you can check out the Spotify website using the link down there in the video description below. So without further ado, let's get started. So as you can see right here on my Spotify, I can just click Explore Premium to purchase Premium on Shopify. And after I click that, I will be redirected to this page where I can choose, premium plan that I want or that I preferred. And after choosing, I will be redirected back to the Spotify homepage where I can see the cost of that premium plan. And if I want to buy that, I can just click buy now. And right here, I will be given three different, payment methods. So it's either Shopee Pay, Pay by Mobile, or Gcash. So of course, you need to choose Gcash. And after you choose Gcash, just click Start My Spotify Premium, and I will be take to another page where I will be shown with a QR code. So with this, you can just open your Gcash on your mobile or phone application and just scan the QR code right here, and the premium will be automatically paid with your Gcash. And yeah, that's it. That's how you can pay Spotify Premium using your Gcash. And also, that's it for today's tutorial. If you want more, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next one. Bye.